For remote control, just turn on the device you want to control and operate as usual. Instead of using touch gestures, you can now use a mouse to interact on the computer screen. For synchronization, select all devices or choose specific ones you want to sync. Operate on one device, and the same actions will be mirrored on the other selected devices. To install an APK file, you first need to have the APK file ready. Where can you find APK files? You can try APK Pure or APK Combo. For example, I will download the AutoClick application. After downloading, open GenFarmer. Select all devices or choose specific ones, then right-click and select Install APK. Navigate to the location of the APK file and select it. Then click Install. Installation time depends on the app size. The system will notify you when the installation is complete. Now, open the app to check. Installation is complete.